Oh, I didn't. Where the world am I? It's a bed. It's bright daylight. But where am I? Everything's so blocky. Let me look at myself. Man, cool suit. Guess I better look around. This place is interesting. I might like it here. Oh, some supplies. Let me see what this is. I didn't know this is raw pork chop. What do we have here? Some cocoa beans, jungle wood, dandelion, melons, jungle sapling, and wood. So what can I do with these things? I don't really know. I wonder what. What can I do with these things here? But what's with the wood? I guess I'll... What's that noise? I don't know where that's coming from. It's a weird noise. Where did this go? They're right on this track. Listen to these things.
What?
Man. Okay. Okay. Be better if I landed here. So, I don't know what I should do now. What's stuff I can do here? Wait, what's over? What's this? Like a little house. Is my bed fitting? That's not. Why it's still raining? Thing is, the rain doesn't. Ow! 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 My legs! My legs! My legs hurt. I gotta walk like a man. My legs hurt. I'm not human. You gotta remember that. You're not human. Werewolf there. My powers are not working right now. For some reason. I figure out why. What is that noise? The skelter. I'll be eating coconuts. Right here for the show. So,
I was up there though. I remember you leaving.
Is that where they get the cocoa beans from? Is that where they get the cocoa beans from? I don't even know. So, what kind of crazy world is this? Dang, I gotta build me like a tiny shelter. What's around here? I built me like a tiny little roof shelter. Head. This is weird. I think I'll put this somewhere. Put it there. So I have some jungle wood planks of my stuff. Let me do this. And gotta make a little bit of a roof for my house. Ish. Please. I guess it was. I don't know where I am, so I'm gonna take it. I might find the original soon. For now, all my friends were taken here too. I hope you are. I don't want to be gone in this world forever. That would be horrible. My God, I'm in the jungle. Better get working on this house. I'm out of wood. I'm gonna go out to get wood. I'm not gonna just. My trees might rot if I do that. And punch this tree. This wood. This is the wood I was using. Jungle wood planks is what I was using. This is jungle wood logs, so yeah. My not feeling pain ability is working though. So that's something that's working. Because if you hurt a human. Dang, what's that clicking noise when I hit the planks? My always. Alright. I'll help my friends come transported here too. So I'm gonna get this shelter. I'm gonna get a roof over my head and worry about finding the others later. Or should I do it the other way around? Should I find the others first? They are my friends. So I'll go looking for the others later. Should I do that? Is he ever gonna come? Oh, I don't really know. You might not think that. But he's probably just didn't even know I'm here. That's the thing. I didn't even know that. Through where I live. So I'm gonna punch that piece of a tree. Then I'm gonna place this down. Got a bit of a roof over my head though. So now I gotta get a bit of a roof over my. So right now I'm good. And this has been an interesting day. I fell from the sky. Good thing I landed on a thing. Be dead. Punch, punch, punch the pig. Punch him really good. So who drops some raw pork chops and I can get some food. Now I have some raw pork chops. The freaking dropping. I think that's enough for today. I'm gonna turn in. Tomorrow's another day I have to live.